How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix VIA or VIA not detecting your keyboard. So in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is to just check the compatibility of your keyboard. Now in here, you could just look for this specific model of your keyboard, making sure that it is basically supported. Right after, if you could see your keyboard on the friendly option, which is going to be inside the check compatibility, you can then make sure that your keyboard has the updated driver. So of course, there's a lot of different models out there. So depending on your model, maybe you're using something like Razer Synapse, you can just head over to the official application and update your drivers from there. But you could also try navigating through the device manager. From here, you then want to look for your keyboard, right click on it, click on the update driver, and then just look for drivers online. From there, click on the start now button, click authorize device, and basically you will be able to see your keyboard right here. Now, as a last resort, you could head over to the check for updates, and then you could make sure that your Windows is updated to the latest version. And basically from there, you will be able to fix your keyboard not being detected on VIA. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.